Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of logo design using some amazing, free browser-based tools. Whether you're starting a new business or rebranding, this guide will help you create stunning logos effortlessly. Let's get started. Open the browser interface and search for Gravity Write. Click on the first link. Click on Start Writing for free. Here are a lot of features. Go to the search bar, type Image Prompt. Click on Logo Design Ideas. We write the name of the thing we want to create a logo for. For example, I want to create a logo for Shows Fits. Here we write the name of the business for which we are creating the logo. I want to create a logo for an e-commerce website. After that, click on Create Content. You'll see a bunch of design prompts. Pick the one that best matches your idea. The choices are all great. Next, we're going to use another fantastic tool called Idiogram to refine our design. Open a new tab, type Idiogram in the search bar, and click on the first link. Paste the prompt you copied for Gravity Write. Set the aspect ratio to 1:1. This ensures your logo is perfectly square, ideal for most branding needs. After that, click on Generate. You will see different logos. Select one of them. Go to the top and click on the three dots. Go to Download. Select JPEG file. And there you have it. It's a stunning, professional logo created with just a few clicks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching,